Hello, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to learn about math? In this video, we are going to learn about the basic law of natural numbers. The first law, that is commutative law. We have here the first set. Mhm. We have here the first set that is commutative law for addition. The second set is commutative law for multiplication. Let's say, for example, we have here the value of A is equals to 2 and the value of B is equals to 4. Now, let's substitute the value. We have here 2 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 2. What is the answer? 2 plus 4, that is 6, and 4 plus 2, that is 6. Let's move for the multiplication. Let's substitute. The value of A, that is 2, multiplied to the value of the value of B, that is 4. That is equals to the value of B, that is 4 times 2. 2 times 4, that is 8, equals to 4 times 2, that is 8. So that is the commutative law for addition and for multiplication. Okay, so we have here the second law, which is the associative law. Now look at this one. Let's say A is equals to 2, B is equals to 4, C is equals to 6. Now let's substitute. We have here A, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals to 2 plus 4 plus 6. Okay, so 2 plus 4, that is 6, plus 2. So 4 plus 6, that is 10. So 6 plus 6, that is 12. That is equals to 2 plus 10, that is 12. So let's move to this one. We have here also the value of A, that is 2, multiplied to the value of B, that is 4 times 6. That is equals to the value of A, that is 2, multiplied to the value of B, that is 4 times 6. Okay, so look at this one. Bring down the 2. Now 4 times 6, that is 24, is equals to 2 times 4, that is 8. That is multiplied to the number 6. Now 2 times 24, that is 48, equals to 8 times 6, that is 48. Now this is the associative law. Let's move to the next law. We have here the distributive law. Let's say we have here the value of A is equals to 2, the value of B is equals to 4, the value of C is equals to 6. Now let's substitute. We have here the value of A, that is 2, multiplied to the value of B, that is 4, plus 6. That is equals to the value of A. What is that? That is 2 times 4 plus the value of A, that is 2, multiplied to the value of C, that is 6. Okay, so we have here 2. 4 plus 6, that is 10. Okay, so 2 times 4, that is 8, plus 2 times 6, that is 12. Now 2 times 10, that is 20, is equals to 8 plus 12, that is 20. Okay, so that is the distributive law. Okay, Now we have here also the law of closure. We have here the law of closure for addition and the law of closure for multiplication. Now let's say we have here the value of A, that is 2, the value of B, that is 4. So let's substitute. We have here letter A, the value of A, that is 2, plus 4 is equals to 6. We have here also the for multiplication. We have here 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Okay? Now, look at this one. So let's practice what you have learned in this lesson. Okay? So I'll give you a 5 minutes to answer this question. See you. Okay, so let's answer the following problem. Okay, now look at this one. We have here number one. Okay, if you can see number one, we have here the illustration here. Okay, so 7 times 4, that is equals to, okay, let's answer that one. 7 times 4, that is equals to 28. Okay, that is equals to 28. So what number is missing here? Okay, now look at the figure. We have here how many number 4 here? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5. We have here 5 times 4 plus 2 times 4. Okay, so that is equals to 5 times 4, that is 20, plus 2 times 4, that is 8, is equals to 28. Okay, now we have here number 2. Okay, so we have here 9 times 2 times 5. Okay, so bring down 9. Now 2 times 5, that is 10. Okay, now 9 times 10, that is equals to 90. We have here number 3. 3 times 3 times 5, that is 15. Multiplied to 2 is equals to 3 times, so we have here missing. Okay, we have here times 2. Okay, so 15 times 2, that is 30. Okay, so what number is missing here? So we have here 3 times, that is 5 times 2. 3 times 5, that is 15. 15 times 2, that is 30. Now we have here number 4. We have here 40 times 2, that is 40. Sorry, 20 times 2 rather. That is 20. 40, sorry. So that is equals to 5 times missing and times 2. Okay. So what is missing here? We have here that is 5 times what is the missing number here? There. That is 4. That is times 2. Okay, so 5 times 4, that is 20. Multiplied to 2, that is 40. Okay? Okay. Now we have here also the number 5. So 2 plus 3, that is 5, plus 5, that is equals to 10. Okay? Very good. Okay, so did you answer the problem correctly? That's very good. Okay, so we are now done with our lesson. It's time to say goodbye and hope to see you again next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification para updated ka sa ating mga bagong mga vlogs. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.